So guys, this guy wants me to analyze Bitcoin for him. Don't worry, I got you, brother. I got you. Guys, check this out. Boom.
So guys, without wasting any time, draw a line on your highest point, draw a line on your lowest point, draw a trend line, and draw a trend line like this. Now draw a line on your current lowest point, and then draw your supply and demand, just like this, guys. Move down to your 4-hour time frame and draw a trend line going like this and a trend line going like this. Now we have broken above our trend line, as you can see, so we are looking for more buying opportunities actually. So draw a line on this low right here and then mark this line as your support zone, just like this, guys. Move down to your 1-hour time frame and draw a line on this high right here. So it actually broke above this high and retested, so I would say it's a buy. So I'll enter here, putting my stop loss down here and my take profit all the way up there, because it's clear that we are going to touch over that high right there, guys.
That's basically it, guys. That's what I see on Bitcoin. I feel like Bitcoin is buying because we are on a support. We're currently on a support, which it was a double bottom. It broke out and then retested on the neckline of the double bottom. So I would say it's a buy. But then, guys, please subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that follow button. Okay, there's no follow button, but then comment on what you want me to analyze next, just like the other guy, and like this video. Make sure you like this video and watch the next video.